Tired of waking up feeling groggy and unrefreshed? You're not alone. Most people make simple mistakes that ruin their sleep. A mattress that's too soft or too firm can disrupt your sleep. Invest in a medium-firm mattress for optimal support and comfort. This can improve sleep quality by up to 30%. Going to bed and waking up at different times each day confuses your body's internal clock. Set a consistent sleep schedule to regulate your sleep-wake cycle. The blue light from smartphones and tablets suppresses melatonin production, making it harder to fall asleep. Avoid screens for at least an hour before bedtime. A room that's too hot or too cold can disrupt your sleep. Keep your bedroom at a cool, comfortable temperature to promote better sleep. A cluttered and noisy bedroom can make it difficult to fall asleep. Create a sleep-friendly environment by keeping your bedroom quiet, dark, and clutter-free. Try fixing one of these mistakes tonight and wake up feeling brand new. Like and subscribe for more sleep tips.